Hi guys, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Hello guys, welcome you to my YouTube channel Technical Tour with Suresh Sir. So today I will discuss about data validation. Before start data validation, I am going to tell you some special parts of MS Excel. So friend, you can see this is a blank MS Excel sheet. Okay. Now at the top you can see there have a name that is actually the name of the Excel file. Okay. If you save it another name it will be show here. Okay, just wait, I am showing you. Okay, just click on file, next click on save as. Okay, now choose any location, okay, from your system. Now I am choosing here the desktop option. Okay, now I am saving this file using a name that is example. Now just click on this save button. Now you can see the name of the Excel file is example.xlsx. This is the extension of this file. Okay. So friend, you can see this point. This is actually called customize quick access toolbar. Okay. And below it you can see there are some many other options that is called tab. This is file tab. Okay. This is insert tab. This is page layout tab. Okay. And every tab you can see there are some group of option. Okay, so now home tab you can see they have some group of option. This is one group, this is another group, this is another group. Okay, and every group is separate by a line. Okay, now if you click in insert tab then you can see the same things. In every tab there are many option. Okay, which is defined by a line. Okay, now I am going to the data tab. Under data tab you can see there have an option that is data validation. So now what is data validation? So you can see from here, pick up from a list rule to limit the type of data can be entered in a cell. Okay. For example, you can provide a list of values like 1, 2, 3, or only allow numbers greater than 1000 as valid entry. Okay. So friend, I am showing you this thing practically. Okay, so from my page you can see there have a table and there have some student name, state, district, country and pin code. Okay, now I am creating a new sheet. Now I am typing here student name. Okay, now using this data validation option I can select the student name manually from here. Okay, how? Now I am showing you how you can do it. Okay, just click here. Now click on this data validation option. Now click on data validation. So here you can see there are three tabs, that is setting, input message and error alert. Just click on setting and choose the list option. Here I am choosing the list option. Okay, now data, that is between. Okay, now click on the source. Now my student name is present in this tab, that is sheet 1. Now I am choosing the student name from here. Okay, now click on here. Now click on OK. Now friend, if I select here I can choose a student name using this option. Okay, so you can see I don't need to write any student name. Okay, I can select it manually. So student, this is data validation. Okay, and here I used a list. Okay, so I think you don't have any doubt regarding data validation. Okay, so thank you, thanks for watching.